back to another discussion for the Offshore Corp Talk Forum. Today we'll target a concept that bothers everyone out there, tax. Taxes are part of everyone's life and we all hate it. In fact, some of us consider it theft. This idea is often brought up. One thing's for sure, the concept is popular and lots of people have no clue what to believe. So is taxation theft? We'll find out today. Well, it all depends on the society you live in. For example, taxation is theft in a corrupt third world country where money goes to politicians. But then it's actually needed in a civilized country and no one really minds it. Most people could agree that taxation is the price of civilization. It's as simple as that. Now, can you see anything improving in your country? It looks like things are barely moving and there's always room for better. Take the US, for instance. At some point, it was the only developed country in the world without a healthcare system. Obamacare changed things a little, but the system is not yet fully developed, so it looks like taxes are going nowhere. Cultural pressure has become normal over time. Think about the large corporations that manage to avoid or reduce tax in a legal manner, yet they are still considered criminals. Then you have the average individual who aims to provide for their family with a 9-to-5 job. Everything floats around the idea of tax. Try to imagine a society with very high taxes. Some claim that you cannot have a civilized society without them. But look at the US again. The local tax system is precisely what chases people away. People are seen as tax evaders just because they have offshore bank accounts. The government is still trying to tax them either way, even if they work abroad. So double taxation is the main reason wherefore people give up their citizenship. We've explained a few mindsets in the forum guide, but the main one is the victim. No one likes taxation, that money on your payslip that you never see. But then you need police, you need a medical system, street lights, roads, garbage collection, and so on. People try to take advantage of all of these without actually paying a fortune, whether it's by establishing offshore businesses or moving their operations abroad. Sometimes you only need a smartphone and an internet connection to do it. Taxation can be considered theft for those who don't do anything. It may sound harsh, but people often fail to put in the work, yet they refer to taxation as theft. Just take a look at a successful offshore entrepreneur. Such a business person has spent years changing countries, moving jurisdictions, trying different business profiles, failing and succeeding over and over again. Someone like this can find ways to reduce tax rather than moan about it. If taxation is theft, what do you do about it? Unless you live in North Korea, you can travel pretty much anywhere. Most people try to change the system, which is impossible. Instead, you have to focus on your particular circumstances. Forget about the domestic moves, just move abroad. What about the Bahamas? Many of the places are seen as holiday spots, but they have much more to offer. Small changes won't make a difference, but getting out of your comfort zone will. It doesn't matter how you choose to do it abroad. There will always be people claiming it's not ethical, but no one cares as long as it's legal. Remember, you're doing this for yourself. You can find out more about this idea and the steps you can take by having a look at the full guide on our forum and acting today. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.